This is pretty interesting. As I was signing off, I noticed I thought it was an El Camino, and then I got closer, and this is Pontiac Safari. And as you can see, it has an El Camino back, but it says Catalina. Well, Pontiac's never made a El Camino. This is an actual prototype, one of one. And as you can see, it's every bit of Pontiac inside. Tri-tone interior, really pretty. And you can see the first year for the El Camino, Chevy El Camino, was 1959 and 1960, and then they brought it back in 64. Well, Pontiac never made an El Camino, but they were thinking about it apparently and made this prototype. It's estimates between $350,000 and $400,000 for this car. Look at that. Absolutely gorgeous. Alright. Well, if this is a real deal HEMI Cuda, 1970, it's worth quite a bit of coin. And it's an automatic, which does hurt the value a little bit. Most people do want the 4-speed. I don't know if you guys got that or not. I'm not watching where I'm filming. Wow. Plum crazy with white interior. Very, very nice. Okay, well, this will be the final video. Because I'm down to 15%. So unless I see something absolutely incredible, which I've already done that a couple of times, we're going to have to part ways. This is the conclusion of the Mecum Auto Auction series of 2019. Look at that dual cowl phaeton Duesenburg. Even the back passengers can have something to look at. Estimates is in excess of $1 million. Okay. Hi everyone, this is Ryan from Mecum's Auto Auctions, signing out.